Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to do the unboxing of the Ponage Ultra Custom Gaming Mouse. This is not the wireless version, this is the wired version. A friend of mine gave me this as a gift, which I thank him a lot. So of course I told him, if you're gonna get me as a gift, please, I want it in this color. I did open this box before because I was too excited, and plus he wanted me to open in front of him and see how the mouse looks and all that stuff. So this package has been opened before. So you see I went with extra stuff with the red. And the packaging itself, let's open it up. So this is really exciting. And he wanted me to check what mouse I should recommend. I said I kind of looked at this company called Ponage. I wanted to go with it, but at the time, I told him that the wireless the build quality was not that great, and plus I didn't want the honeycombs on the side. So I waited until they came out with the wired version. So it comes with a lot of freaking stuff, and it's kind of crazy as well. It comes with rubberized side grips. It comes with extra mouse feet. Also comes with extra DPI buttons as well. Also comes with the red one. It's crazy as hell, all the package you're getting for this price point. It also comes with the weight you want to, which I'm not going to do that. And let's check for the mouse itself. Look at that. Whew. Exactly like the EC2, baby. So this is the honeycomb red. Also has a solid as well, which I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. Whew. Let's do a quick sound test. Scroll wheel, DPI, side buttons. Also has the polling rate switch right there at the bottom as well, which is awesome. So let me continue. So let me put that to the side. So let me put this to the side. So the extra stuff this thing comes with is ridiculous. So it comes, I did not know about this. I had just messaged him and told him about it. Comes with the white honeycomb solid cover as well. Black. Also have the black honeycomb here somewhere laying around here. I think it is somewhere, I think it's inside this box. So let me open it up, put them to the side. It's really easy to remove and replace. You don't need tools. It's magnetic as well. So what else it comes with? Oh, there it goes. So honeycomb black. Oh, red. So it comes with the left click and right click as well, which is awesome. I'm excited. Oh god, this is too awesome. So really you can go bananas on what color you really want to go with. And the build quality of this mouse as well. You already been warned, my mouse is a little bit dirty. I had to clean it again, or I'm going to have to buy a new one, to be honest. So I'm going to put the phone on the side. So build quality on this, it is amazing. I can really shake the hell out of it, and there's nothing loose, nothing rattling there as well. Like, it's very, very comfortable compared to the Fractal Burst Pro, to be honest. So it's to show you how easy it is to remove and replace. Look at that. Now on the wireless version, the battery will be there, but since this is the wired version, you put the weight there, which I'm not going to do that. And also you can remove the side buttons as well if you want. Pretty easy to do. Hold up, let me try. Look at that. And then with the DPI, you just continue to peel off, it'll come off. But really easy to put together with. Really awesome. And honestly, if you're somebody who really wants to go with a better build quality EC2, then I would recommend to try this mouse. So let me put it back in because, okay, so yeah, oh, I don't want to put a little bit too pressure. So I did it before without a problem. There we go. There we go. Simple. So it's only the difference between a solid cover and honeycomb. It's like really, it's hard. I was trying to put it with try to hold it with 2 fingers, try to do comparison. I ain't tried to put it on my middle finger as a scale to check which one's heavier. It's only not really a big difference, but I kind of like this a lot. Really comfortable. Ooh, all right, let's stand by right here for a second, ladies and gentlemen. Let's plug this puppy into the computer right now. Stand by. Okay, so I already plugged the mouse into my computer, and this is how it looks when it lights up. Let's see if I can turn on the light for you guys can see better. So this is how the mouse looks when it lights up. As you see, RGB logo on the pwnage at the bottom as well, and also at the scroll wheel. It does have software as well, which is great, which I'm going to install that in a bit. And I'm really happy that I went with this type of a configuration because I can see the logo. If you have the solid, you're not going to be able to see it, which for some people doesn't bother. It doesn't bother me as well. But finally, there's a company that made an EC2 shaped lighter, a way much more better sensor, and last but not least, light as hell. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Any questions, you already know what to do. You answer those questions down in the comment section. Till then, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.